All right, by a quick show of hands here, how many people have been to any of our prior events? That's a lot. All right, roughly 2/3. Cool. All right, so for the roughly 1/3 who has not been to any of our prior events, we start out every event with trivia. And with trivia, we give out away really cool prizes. Today, we're giving away very awesome t-shirts. These have been designed by an official designer. These are not run-of-the-mill shirts. So the first question of the evening is, oh, by the way, rules of trivia. There are no rules. As simple as that. If you want to Google it for the answers, if you can do that quickly, then do it. If you don't know the answer, try to guess it, because sometimes they give E for efforts. And basically, don't raise your hands. Just shout out answers, because whoever I hear first gets it, not whoever answers first necessarily. Okay, first question is, who's this character? Wow, that was very quick. The second question is, who wants a t-shirt? Me! Sorry about that. All right.
By the way, if those sizes don't work, we have other sizes, so exchange it.
Yeah, you guys just sort of help yourselves to exchange your partners when you get the wrong size.
Do I get a shirt for getting hit?
Yeah. There's 2 there now. By accident, I gave you 2. So separate the 2. Take one, throw it over your head. There you go. Now that guy got hit. Go figure. What does AMP stand for?
Advanced Message Processing System.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, that's these are good for this. All right. Oktoberfest. Anyone know what makes a beer qualified for it? 2 criteria. It gets you drunk. That's E for effort. That was you? E for effort. No, for real. What's the real criteria?
Bavarian beer.
What?
Weiss beer. Bavarian cold.
Close enough. It's not Bavarian. It's got to be from Munich, but that's close enough. Fermented what?
He's German.
Give it back. No. Anyone want to guess the other one? All right. It's apparently what?
The amount of yeast.
E for effort. No.
Should be from Germany.
That was said already, but here, E for effort also. All right, no, it has to adhere to the German beer purity law. Believe it or not, yeah. AMP's filters use what query language to access data? Query language, guys. What's the most common query language?
Sequence.
Whoever said that there. Okay. Anyone know what language, it's not really a language, what format it uses to identify fields within there?
JSON?
No, it's a segment of XML.
Jason.
It's not JSON. XPath, whoever said that? It's not the honor system, just take it. What language is AMPS written in? What programming language?
Python.
No, not Python.
C and C++.
C++. To use AMP SQL joins, messages need to be in what data format? Guys, it's data formats. Everyone has got to know. JSON's good. There's like 10 of them. What else? Anyone knows the Mongo format?
BSON.
BSON it is. I think I gave you 2 backs that you throw them out.
DML.
Anybody? Someone said XML? Somebody? I said XML. Alright, anyway, there's a whole bunch of Anyways, binary fix, NV fix, and soon something called protobuf, which is custom messaging. All right, what underlying index structure does MongoDB use? What kind of index structure? Dimitri, who said that? Indeed. What index scheme does AMPS use that gets 30 times performance over MongoDB?
LSM tree?
What?
Yeah. Fractal. Log structure.
Don't raise your hands, just shout it out. And
Fractal index.
Fractal index is not correct.
LSM tree.
Good effort.
LSM?
That's E for effort. Hash key index. What is the least amount of hardware needed to run AMPS? This is a trick question, guys.
A CPU.
A CPU is actually more than you need. That's the hint. No, you don't need any x86s. You don't need any of this.
Raspberry Pi.
Well, you need some kind of theoretical hardware. I'm hinting this, guys. It runs in RAM, indeed. But anybody? Shout it out. I can't hear everybody. Computer? A computer, good enough. No, it runs a virtual machine, so the trick question. It can run a virtual machine, so you don't need any hardware. In amps, what does SOW stand for?
State of the world.
State of the world it is.
I got one.
That's okay, just throw it back. In mathematical, so pardon me, what is the name of the mathematical study of waiting in lines?
Queuing.
There you go, you got it. How many real-time streaming data topics can you simultaneously join with amps? 30. Unlimited it is. All right, guys, that is all the questions I have, except for one more. Who still wants shirts?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to give away a whole bunch more shirts at the end of this session. We have enough probably for everybody.